it's supposed to give you some added like layers back here. I'm scared. I always rather go shorter and chopped off like an inch or two. Okay, it was super uneven, so I'm gonna cut a little bit more to try to even it out. I was trying to save you from the muffin top and the palm arms, but it's literally a million degrees in here.